Yeah, what's up, my people? What do we got today? Quick little tune-up job on the driveway. He's got 2 loads of stone, it looks like, as discussed on the phone. We're gonna put 2 inches on this, get them all tuned up. Quick, easy project. Show you how to spread stone with a skid steer bucket. Got this clean number 2s. Nice, good rock right here, really good rock. No powder in it, no, it's not crusher run, it's clean 2s. Real easy to spread with the bucket. Let's get a little parking area here, and then driveway going down. 2 inches, no compaction, we're just gonna lay it in. All right, what I'm doing here is just regrading the subgrade to make sure that's true before we put the stone over it. No imperfections. Got Colin just taking the sticks and debris, the bigger stuff, off the lot. Obviously the leaves and the pine needles are gonna get buried, but if we got a stick or whatnot, we're gonna get rid of that. All right, here we go. We're gonna start simple and easy. Bucket, load it to the left, turn it to the left, and you will be on the left. enough stone, which is good. You just want to be slow and precise with your come up and lift, so you don't make big piles. You don't want to be raking. You got to add some to some spots, and you add to it rather than take it away. Nice smooth pass and use that as a screed just like you would concrete. Work your way right from that, then you'll be able to level it out. Here, as you saw, tilt the bucket right to the side of the fence. Tune. Last couple passes. Do a little bit of hand raking. Call it a day. Quick, easy tune up. On the tilt trailer we go. I lined that middle bolt up with my jack right there, my tongue jack, and she's done. Line my cutting edge up with that stake pocket. Bada boom, bada bang. All right, let's see what we got. That is looking pretty. Colin just tested it out. He backed into it. It looks nice and nice. Everything worked out. Had enough stone. Got a good 3-4 inches. Over in here is all 4 inches. Kept it a little lighter in here just so you don't spin until it gets compacted. It was all a 2. She is pretty. All right, guys, we'll catch you on the next one. Please subscribe if you're not. Share and like.